In this video, I'm going to remove these two buttons. The only way I figured out how to do it is with CSS. So I'm using the Chrome browser. I'm right clicking, I'm clicking inspect. And then you can see that it has a UL class of head account. So I'm going to try to make that disappear. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go under settings, and then tools. I found this custom style script. It's got a place for JavaScript, but it's also got a place for CSS. So with a class, you use a period. So I'm going to put dot this, and then you do open bracket, close bracket, and I'm going to say display none important, semicolon, and I'm going to save that, and then hopefully that makes that disappear. So I'm going to refresh the page. There we go. We made that disappear. If that was helpful, or if you have any other questions about customizing your Lofty site, drop them in the comments. Give me some ideas for videos. Thanks.